Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you some online surveys that you could use for your project. So the first one we're going to look at is Google Forms. So if you have a Google account and you have a Google Drive, you can go in and one of the options is to make a Google form. Once you're in here, you can call this whatever you want. Project, ooh, that's not what I wanted to type. Project survey, or maybe have your research question here. It's nice for people to know what it is that you're trying to do. So if you're gonna, you might want to put in the form description something about what your research project is about. So you can put that in there. I'm trying to see if cuter kittens are fluffier. And then you ask your questions. I don't know. How cute would you say your kitten is? And the nice thing is that Google Forms is really smart. And as soon as I put something like this, it gives me a scale. So it lets people choose a scale. You have lots of different types of options for questions you can ask. You can do short answers. So if you have any free response type things, you can give it that way. You can have checkboxes. So, if you wanted to say which of the following is important when choosing a kitten, you could have your options and allow them to choose more than one. So you could say like coloring, fluffiness, attitude, right? You could just type in a bunch of different things here. And then you can always give another category as well, which is nice because it lets people write in something in case you didn't give all the options. So a lot of groups, I gave the feedback of if you're going to collect major, maybe you want to do something like this where you give them a category. If I was doing major, though, I wouldn't want people to be able to choose more than one. I would just do a multiple choice in that case where you can only select one, and then maybe have another option where they could give me something if it didn't fit into the groups that I had chosen. So that's basically how you work with Google Forms. You can add more questions like, I don't know, what is your pet's name? Ask dumb things, I don't know. And so you can see again, automatically it knew that this should be a short answer. So that's why I love Google Forms. When you think you're finally finished, when you've written all of your questions, what you do is you go to the send button and you can either enter emails to send, or even better is click this little button here and that'll give you a link, and you can even shorten that link. And this is something you can send out to your friends, post on Facebook, post on Twitter, whatever it is that you might use for social media. You can also send me one of these links. I'll have a little wiki page on Blackboard where everyone can put their links up so that other people could possibly go and fill out their surveys. So that is Google Forms. The other piece with Google Forms, so I can just show you what it looks like on the other side of this. Once you have your Google form, you can see I obviously do a ton of Google Form stuff. I have like my Math 119 exit survey from last semester. Did I give this? Yes. And then you can easily see your responses. It actually gives you like bar charts for certain things, but we're going to want the raw data. So once you're done, you'll click on this, which will give you a spreadsheet, and you can output that from your drive as well.